Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Khan Safia and in this video we are going to learn two programs, that is how to create an application that obtains 4 int values from the user and display the product, and for test of vowels. For creating a new website, we need to go to File, New, Website, then select Empty Website and then OK. After that, we have to add web form. So right click on website, add new item, select web form and add button. Go to design. First we will make an interface, then we will do the logic part. Double click on label, change text as first number. Now drag and drop text box. Now same drag and drop the button control and change text as product of a numbers. This interface is for finding a product of our 4 numbers. Now we will make an interface to find or test for vowels. Now we will write the logic behind this interface. So double click on first button. Now we have to add a variable r because we want to display the product of 4 integer values. So we will be multiplying the number from text box 1, which is taken from the user, to text box 2. The result of text box 1 and text box 2 will be again multiplied by text box 3, and again the result of these 3 text box will be multiplied by text box 4. So r equal to convert dot to int 32 text box 1 dot text multiplied by textbox2.text, and again the result of these two text box will be multiplied by textbox3.text, and the result of these three text box will be again multiplied by textbox4.text. Now we will assign a label which will display the value. Next we will write the logic to test the vowels. So first double click on test for vowels button. So first char ch. Here we have taken a variable ch. We have used char data type here. The char data type stores character data in a fixed length field. Next, ch equal to convert dot to char textbox1 dot text. Here we have used convert.toChar method. This method converts a specified value to a Unicode character. Next, we will be using switch case. The switch statement allows us to execute one code block among many alternatives. You can do the same things with the if-else-if ladder. However, the syntax of the switch statement is much easier to read and write. The expression is evaluated once and compared with the values of each case label. If there is a match, the corresponding statement after the matching label are executed. If there is no match, the default statement will be executed. And if we do not use break, all statements after the matching label are executed. Now we will write a code for a reset button to clear all values for a text box. So double click on reset button. Textbox1.text equal to to run the website, we have to press F5. Enter first number, second number, third number, and fourth number. Now the product of a number are 120. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Now enter a character. रीसेट बटन। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।